Hey, what's up? I am Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and today I want to show y'all a photo shoot that I've done a few months ago. And the reason it took so long to show y'all because actually I'm behind in my video recording. Now there is a disclaimer I want to put out there because this video, now what I didn't do is now when I talk to photographers, I always tell them and stuff, when you do a photo shoot, always wipe your lens. But I did not wipe the video lens down. So you can see spots. I left out a large part of this photo shoot. There's some photo shoot in another, there's some parts of this photo shoot in another section on this roof that I had to leave out because you can see the spots clearly. I'm talking about at least 12 or more spots. So I had to leave that out because it really do look bad. It really looks bad. I did this photo shoot. I did the majority of this photo shoot with the Sigma 24 to 70 millimeter. Now I know that I said I would only use this for weddings, and I just recently put out that video, another video about the Sigma 24 to 70 millimeter art lens. But this video, this photo shoot was done way before I recorded that video. I love it. It's a great lens, but it's going to be my wedding lens. All right, now we're about to go into that photo shoot, but I do want to let y'all know I have a product for sale. I have a video on my website for sale called Simple Skin Retouching. It's to show y'all how to retouch skin and still get a realistic look. Not a plastic fake look, but a realistic look with skin texture, and people will look like themselves after you retouch them. So go to my website, purchase that, and enjoy. Now let's get into this photo shoot.